lake, a very odd-looking creature. Whole town scratching their heads as to what is it?
Oh my God.
For hundreds of years, visitors to Scotland's Loch Ness have sworn that they have seen a monster coming up from the depths.
Look at that.
In the far corners of our planet, where the ordinary meets the extraordinary, astonishing creatures await discovery, each more surprising than the last. You never quite know what you'll find, and sometimes these discoveries defy belief. From a peculiar fish with a mouthful of teeth uncannily resembling human teeth to elusive T-Rexes making unexpected appearances, these remarkable creatures have been captured on camera, creating unforgettable moments. If these creatures were not filmed, no one would have believed it. Without video evidence, such stories would seem like pure fiction. Get ready to explore 20 unbelievable creatures that blur the line between myth and reality, leaving us in awe of the wonders that exist in our world.
Group of guys saw a figure on the mountain that looked like something they've never seen before.
You can't just see something that's once in a century discovery. You gotta go look for fur or footprints or some kind of evidence.
Something comes walking down the road. He sees it first through night vision. This thing steps out, a very big, tall, hair-covered thing.
Number 20, alien fish. In May 2022, two fishermen from Texas reeled in a catch that seemed straight out of a science fiction film, a rare black alligator gar. Known for its prehistoric appearance and high melanin levels, this extraordinary fish's dark, almost alien-like appearance immediately caught the fishermen's attention. The alligator gar, with its armored body and sharp teeth, is often misunderstood. But these anglers recognized the rarity and beauty of their catch. If these creatures were not filmed, no one would have believed it, they thought, as they decided to temporarily keep the gar in their private aquarium to study it more closely. This decision allowed them to capture detailed photographs of the gar's distinctive features, which they shared with a marine biologist. The expert they consulted was intrigued and noted that the alligator gar is one of the largest freshwater fish in North America, capable of growing up to 10 feet long and weighing as much as 350 pounds. Despite its formidable size and appearance, the alligator gar plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of its habitat by controlling the populations of other fish species. Understanding the gar's significance to the ecosystem, the fishermen made the responsible choice to release it back into its natural environment. They knew preserving such a unique specimen was vital for the lake's health and biodiversity. Watching the alligator gar swim away into the murky waters, the fishermen felt a sense of fulfillment, knowing they had contributed to preserving a remarkable creature. Number 19. Zanzibar Leopard. The Zanzibar leopard, once a prominent resident of the Zanzibar archipelago off the coast of Tanzania, is a captivating symbol of nature's beauty and mystery. Renowned for its distinctive coat pattern and elusive behavior, this big cat has always been tough to spot in the wild. However, over the years, habitat loss and human activity have pushed the Zanzibar leopard to the brink of extinction. Officially declared extinct in the late 1990s, many believed it had vanished forever. But what if we told you that this enigmatic creature might still roam the wilds of Zanzibar? Recent reports have emerged, fueling hope and intrigue among wildlife enthusiasts and researchers alike. A few fortunate tourists have claimed to have seen the Zanzibar leopard with their own eyes, describing encounters that seem almost too magical to believe. Imagine being one of the lucky few to catch a glimpse of this majestic creature and capture evidence that could rewrite its history and prove to the world that the Zanzibar leopard is not just a ghost of the past, but a living testament to resilience and survival. Number 18. A bunch of kittens. If you think monsters are the only things worth marveling at, this heartwarming story might change your perspective. Prepare to be charmed by an encounter that proves even the smallest creatures can leave a big impression. One day, a man driving along a quiet road noticed something unusual, a tiny kitten stranded in the middle of the street, meowing plaintively and clearly in distress. Without hesitation, the kind-hearted driver pulled over and approached the frightened kitten. Just as he reached down to scoop up the small, vulnerable animal, he was suddenly met with an unexpected scene. As soon as he picked up the kitten, a surge of other cats emerged from the surrounding bushes. It seemed the kitten's cries had summoned a small army of feline friends, all eager to join the rescue effort. The sight was both overwhelming and oddly enchanting. Now surrounded by a delightful sea of cats, the driver realized this was not an ordinary situation. With a sense of urgency and compassion, he decided to help them all. He carefully gathered up the kittens and transported them to safety. Once home, he provided food and care for the entire group, ensuring each kitten was well fed and comfortable. Finding new homes for the kittens was challenging, but ultimately rewarding. The man managed to place most of the kittens with loving families, transforming what began as a simple roadside rescue into a heartwarming success story. Number 17. A huge fishy meal. In a fascinating discovery that sparked a lively debate, 3 brothers in Japan stumbled upon an extraordinary find near a river: a colossal 600-pound Napoleon fish. If this creature had not been filmed, no one would have believed it. This majestic creature, renowned for its impressive size, was an unexpected challenge for the fishermen. However, what truly made this catch remarkable was the fish's astonishing ability to change color. As the brothers carefully handled their catch, they noticed the Napoleon fish continuously excreting a slimy secretion, adding to its bizarre appearance. After thoroughly washing the fish, they were astonished to see its scales shifting hues, almost as if it possessed a mysterious superpower. This unusual trait captivated the brothers, prompting them to ponder the fish's unique abilities. Eager to learn more about their remarkable find, the fishermen sent the Napoleon fish to the National Research Center. There, experts could conduct a comprehensive examination to uncover the secrets behind the fish's color-changing abilities and other unique features. This discovery not only provided the brothers with a memorable experience, but also contributed valuable insights into the mysteries of marine life. Number 16. Velociraptor. Armed with cameras and a spirit of adventure, a group of friends ventured into Peru's lush, uncharted forests, eager to explore its rich wildlife. As night descended, they set up camp and strategically placed their cameras, hoping to capture the elusive nocturnal creatures that roamed the forest under the cover of darkness. The following day, brimming with anticipation, the friends gathered around the camera to review their footage. What they saw left them both intrigued and astonished. If this creature had not been filmed, no one would have believed it. Amidst the shadows and dim lighting, a swift, elusive creature darted across the frame with remarkable speed. Its movement was so quick that it seemed almost to blur, making it difficult to discern its exact features. One of the friends, a dinosaur enthusiast, was struck by the creature's resemblance to a velociraptor, a species immortalized in popular culture and often depicted in dinosaur novels. As we know them from these stories, velociraptors were feathered, wolf-sized predators weighing up to 100 pounds. The creature in the footage bore a striking resemblance to these ancient predators, except it was much smaller in size. The footage sparked lively discussions and debates among the group. Could this be a previously undocumented species with traits similar to the velociraptor, or was it merely a case of an animal that had evolved to exhibit some of these features? The resemblance to such an iconic dinosaur added an element of mystery and excitement to their adventure. While the creature's identity remained unknown, the encounter provided a fascinating glimpse into the hidden world of the Peruvian forest. Number 15. Mutant Fish. A fisherman in Primorsky Krai, Russia, experienced an unexpected twist during his routine fishing expedition when he caught a peculiar fish unlike anything he had ever seen. The fish, measuring about 8 inches long, had a startling mutation: 2 mouths, one on its face and another on its neck, giving it an unsettling, almost beast-like appearance. The fisherman was both fascinated and shocked by his catch. As he examined the creature, he noticed it was filled with a transparent liquid, slowly dripping out, adding to its bizarre nature. This unusual find quickly became the talk of the town, leaving locals puzzled and intrigued. Debate ensued among the community as people speculated about the fish's origins. Some believed it might be a mutant European eel, known for its elongated body and elusive nature. Others suggested it could be a Chinese sleeper, a species occasionally found in the region. If these creatures were not filmed, no one would have believed them. Despite these theories, no one could pinpoint exactly what this strange creature was, leading many to wonder if it resulted from environmental changes or a genetic anomaly. Number 14. The Tumbling Spider. Imagine a spider that can accelerate 10 times faster than most animals to escape predators, a marvel of nature that performs spectacular somersaults across the Moroccan desert. This remarkable spider, known for its astonishing agility, can leap and flip with incredible speed, making it a true desert acrobat. The spider's ability to perform such high-speed maneuvers raises intriguing questions about its energy expenditure. Just picture it, bounding across the sandy expanse, executing one gravity-defying somersault after another. The sheer effort and energy required for these acrobatic feats are nothing short of astounding. It's fascinating to ponder whether the spider ever experiences a sense of lightheadedness from its relentless, high-speed gymnastics. Scientists have been captivated by the spider's remarkable agility and have sought to replicate its movements through technology. They've created robots designed to mimic the tumbleweed spider's impressive locomotion. These robots can perform similar somersaults and rapid accelerations, demonstrating the intricate mechanics behind the spider's movements. Yet, even with these technological achievements, the real spider remains an extraordinary creature in its own right. Number 13. Japanese giant salamander. A group of adventurers in Japan recently captured an incredible moment on film, a sighting of one of the world's largest amphibians, the Japanese giant salamander. This remarkable creature, which can grow up to 5 feet in length and weigh as much as 55 pounds, amazed the explorers with its impressive size and distinctive appearance. Its body was a striking mix of black and grayish hues, glistening in the light as it moved. The adventurers were thrilled by the encounter, marveling at the salamander's unique characteristics. They observed how this fascinating creature blended seamlessly with its environment, thanks to its mottled colors that provided excellent camouflage against the rocky stream bed. The salamander's presence was a reminder of the rich biodiversity within Japan's natural landscapes. After spending a few awe-inspiring moments observing the salamander, the adventurers watched as it gracefully slipped back into the lake, disappearing into the depths with a swift flick of its tail. They knew they had witnessed something special and were eager to share their experience. Upon returning from their expedition, the adventurers shared their footage with local wildlife experts, who were equally fascinated by the encounter. This collaboration helped raise awareness about conserving these magnificent creatures and their habitats. The Japanese giant salamander, often considered a living fossil, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, and efforts to protect it are essential to maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Number 12. Sea monster. While exploring the depths of the sea, a group of divers experienced an extraordinary and bewildering encounter. As they navigated the underwater world, they were stunned to witness a mosasaurus swimming gracefully past them. This sight was nothing short of astonishing, considering that mosasauruses are believed to be extinct. Living during the late Cretaceous period between 70 and 66 million years ago, the mosasaurus was a formidable predator of the ancient oceans. With a length of up to 16 feet, its sheer size, sleek body, and powerful jaws made it a dominant force in its time. The mosasaurus's flippers, replacing the typical legs of most reptiles, allowed it to glide through the water with remarkable efficiency and agility. The divers were both thrilled and alarmed by the encounter. The mosasaurus, despite its fearsome reputation, seemed oblivious to their presence. Its appearance was a vivid reminder of the prehistoric world, evoking a sense of awe and reverence for the creatures that once roamed the ancient seas. Number 11. Huge mammal in the river. In 2018, an extraordinary sight unfolded when a man witnessed a massive mammoth crossing a river. Mammoths, the ancient giants of the Ice Age, were formidable creatures known for their impressive size and distinctive features. These large, hairy mammals, closely related to modern elephants, had adapted to survive the harsh, frigid conditions of their time with their thick fur and robust build. During the Ice Age, mammoths roamed extensive areas across North America, Europe, Asia, and even parts of Africa. They traveled in herds and were well equipped to handle the cold climate due to their unique adaptations, including their long, curved tusks and dense, woolly coats. The sighting of the mammoth, which crossed the river with an air of majestic ease, was nothing short of astounding. After it disappeared from view, the man was left in awe, pondering the mysteries surrounding this rare encounter. Questions arose about how the mammoth came to be in such a location and how long it had been living in the area. The incident sparked widespread intrigue and speculation. Could it be a remnant population from the Ice Age that somehow survived into modern times? Or was it an elaborate hoax or a case of mistaken identity? The mammoth's sudden appearance and subsequent disappearance left many wondering about the possibility of ancient creatures re-emerging in unexpected places. Number 10. Flying Terrasaur. What could be more spine-chilling than encountering dinosaurs? How about spotting a flying dinosaur in Idaho? That's precisely what a group of friends experienced on a seemingly ordinary day out enjoying the weather. Their serene outing took a dramatic turn when they noticed a strange and terrifying figure soaring through the sky. At first, the group thought it might be a large bird, but as the creature drew nearer, it became clear that they were witnessing something more extraordinary. With a mix of awe and apprehension, they quickly grabbed their phones to capture the moment. The footage revealed an astonishing sight. A flying creature with narrow, bat-like wings and a long, slender neck gliding effortlessly through the air. One of the friends who had recently studied prehistoric creatures recognized the creature as a pterosaur, an ancient flying reptile. Unlike modern birds, pterosaurs had distinctive features that set them apart. The creature they observed had free hind limbs and a short tail, traits of these prehistoric flyers. Its large head and elongated wings were reminiscent of pterosaurs known from fossil records. The group's encounter with the pterosaur sparked excitement and debate. Was it a genuine glimpse into the distant past, or was there a more mundane explanation for the sighting? While the experience was undeniably thrilling, it also highlighted the incredible diversity and mystery of life on Earth, both ancient and modern. As the footage circulated, it fueled imaginations and discussions about the possibility of prehistoric creatures surviving into the present day. Number 9. Toothy Grin. A fisherman in Maryland recently experienced a startling encounter while casting his line below a bridge. As he peered into the water, he noticed a peculiar fish with a mouth full of teeth that bore an uncanny resemblance to human teeth. The odd appearance of this fish momentarily created the illusion that it was trying to speak to him. Upon closer inspection, the fisherman realized this was a sheepshead fish, not some bizarre creature from the depths. Known for its unique dental structure, the sheepshead fish uses its human-like teeth to crush shellfish and other hard-shelled prey, making it well adapted to its coastal habitat. The fish made a brief appearance in front of the fisherman's camera before vanishing back into the water's murky depths. If these creatures were not filmed, no one would have believed them. This fleeting moment captured the imagination and curiosity of anyone who saw the video, highlighting the diverse and often surprising marine life in the region. Sheepshead fish are commonly found along the Atlantic Ocean, from Nova Scotia down to Florida and into the Gulf of Mexico. Their distinctive teeth are perfectly evolved for their diet, allowing them to feed on barnacles, crabs, and oysters. This adaptation makes them a fascinating subject of study for marine biologists and a curious sight for fishermen and beachgoers alike. Number 8. Ambiguity Collision. Following reports of a mysterious sea monster sighting in a lake in Florida, a group of intrepid explorers decided to investigate. Eager to uncover the truth behind these intriguing claims, they meticulously set up their camera equipment by the water's edge, hoping to capture evidence of the elusive creature. After hours of patiently waiting with no sign of the monster, they decided to take a break, thinking their efforts might have been in vain. Upon returning and reviewing the footage, the explorers initially saw nothing unusual. However, scrutinizing the video more closely, they noticed something unusual: a large, indistinct shape emerging from the murky water. The waves and ripples distorted the creature's form, making it appear far larger and more ominous than it might have been. As they continued to analyze the footage, their excitement grew. The shape seemed to move with deliberate grace, and its size was substantial enough to fuel wild speculations. One of the explorers even ventured the idea that the shape might be a dinosaur, adding an element of dramatic flair to their findings. Though highly improbable, this speculative theory captivated the group and fueled their imagination. While the footage provided tantalizing hints, it did not offer definitive proof of the creature's identity. The wave's distortion and the low-quality video left many questions unanswered. Number 7. T-Rex. During a casual filming session on a small hill, 3 friends captured a moment that would astonish viewers worldwide. As they focused their cameras on the tranquil landscape, their attention was suddenly drawn to a colossal figure moving across the hills. To their utter amazement, it was a Tyrannosaurus rex, commonly known as T-Rex, a dinosaur that roamed the Earth during the late Cretaceous period. The T-Rex, one of the most giant and formidable meat-eating dinosaurs ever discovered, was known for its massive size, powerful jaws, and sharp teeth. With a towering frame, a large head, and tiny, yet surprisingly strong arms, the T-Rex was a fearsome predator. Seeing such a creature in the footage was extraordinary, given that it had been extinct for millions of years. However, the reaction to the video was mixed. As the footage went viral, some viewers expressed skepticism. The initial casual demeanor of the friends, who seemed remarkably unfazed by the dinosaur's appearance, led many to question the video's authenticity. The natural assumption for some was that the footage had been edited or staged to create a dramatic effect. On the other hand, a segment of the audience believed the video was genuine. In their astonishment, they speculated that the friends had managed to maintain a calm and collected demeanor, perhaps out of a desire to remain cool-headed in the face of an extraordinary encounter. If these creatures were not filmed, no one would have believed them, capturing the imagination of skeptics and believers alike. Number 5. Weird fish. In a small fishing village in China, a group of fishermen made an astonishing discovery that quickly captured the attention of people all over the country. They pulled in a peculiar fish that, at first glance, appeared to have a typical body. However, its head was extraordinarily bizarre, featuring a rounded, puffy forehead and a pointed beak that bore a striking resemblance to a miniature dolphin or pigeon. This unusual appearance set off a wave of curiosity and speculation. As news of the strange fish spread, pictures flooded the internet, and people everywhere were buzzing with questions about its origins. Was this a new species? A bizarre mutation? Some even humorously speculated about a covert hybrid between a carp and a dolphin, despite the impossibility of such a pairing. To put the rumors to rest, a local fish expert eventually clarified that the fish was, in fact, a type of carp, a common species known for its adaptability and varied appearances. This particular carp had an unusually shaped head, a phenomenon not entirely unheard of, but rarely seen to such an extent. Despite the expert's explanation, the fish continued to fascinate people, sparking debates and discussions across social media platforms. The fascination with this peculiar fish highlights how nature can surprise us with its endless variety and unexpected quirks. While the carp's head shape was a natural anomaly, it served as a reminder of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the animal kingdom. Number 4. Captured Bigfoot. An intriguing video, leaked by an anonymous source, has recently surfaced, sparking widespread speculation and fascination. The footage captures a colossal figure that resembles Bigfoot, strolling through a dense forest. The creature's face is clearly visible, adding unprecedented authenticity to the sighting. However, the plot thickens several hours later when the same giant is shown confined within a massive cage. The video reveals Bigfoot's intense frustration and vigorous attempts to escape the enclosure. Its powerful movements and aggressive behavior underscore its desperation and the sheer scale of the creature. Despite its efforts, the cage appears to hold firm, presenting a grim scene of captivity. The circumstances surrounding the capture remain shrouded in mystery. The video provides no information about who secured Bigfoot or how the capture was executed. This lack of detail only adds to the intrigue and raises numerous questions. What led to the decision to imprison such a legendary creature? Why was this event kept secret for so long? For decades, enthusiasts and researchers have scoured the wilderness for concrete evidence of Bigfoot's existence. Many of these efforts yielded only fleeting shadows or ambiguous signs. Now it seems that someone has not only discovered a Bigfoot but has also managed to capture it. An unprecedented breakthrough in the quest to uncover the truth behind these elusive giants. Number 3. Two-Headed Dolphin. While on vacation in Izmir, Turkey, a man made a startling discovery that caught the attention of both locals and scientists alike. As he strolled along the beach, he stumbled upon a dead dolphin with 2 heads washed up on the shore. This highly unusual sight left him both intrigued and concerned. Realizing the significance of his find, the man immediately contacted the beach authorities, who promptly arrived to examine the dolphin. They decided to take it to a team of marine biologists for further investigation. Upon closer examination, the experts determined that the dolphin was approximately 1 year old. This finding deepened their curiosity as they pondered how such a rare occurrence could have happened. The phenomenon of a two-headed dolphin, also known as polycephaly, is highly uncommon in marine mammals. While polycephaly has been documented in other animals, such as snakes and turtles, it is rare in dolphins, making this discovery particularly significant. The condition occurs due to the incomplete separation of embryos during development, but the precise factors leading to such mutations in marine mammals remain a mystery. Number 2. Dein Jin IIT. Whether you call it a mysterious creature or a strange nocturnal entity, approaching it is generally considered unwise. This case became the stuff of local legend thanks to an unsettling incident captured on barn surveillance footage. The footage revealed a shadowy figure lying on the grass outside a secured area, which a sturdy fence had protected. The figure's appearance led to wild speculation and theories. Upon glimpsing the footage, some observers likened the entity to a Dein Jin IIT, a mythical creature rumored to be a devil in human form. The resemblance, though vague, fueled local fears and superstitions. Number 1. Megalodon fossils. Have you heard of the Megalodon? This colossal prehistoric shark ruled the ancient seas millions of years ago, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. With its enormous size and powerful presence, the Megalodon was unlike any other shark. Fossil discoveries of the Megalodon have fascinated people for centuries. This ancient giant's large triangular teeth were once mistaken for the tongues of dragons or giant snakes, sparking myths and legends in various cultures. These teeth, some of which measure over 7 inches long, are the primary evidence of the Megalodon's existence and hint at its enormous size, which some estimates suggest could have been up to 60 feet in length. For a long time, scientists were perplexed by the similarities between Megalodon's teeth and those of modern great white sharks. This similarity led to debates about the Megalodon's evolutionary lineage and whether it could have any surviving descendants. It wasn't until 1959 that a breakthrough occurred. Carbon dating of these teeth revealed ages between 11,000 and 24,000 years old. This was a shocking revelation, as it was previously believed that the Megalodon went extinct around 3.4 million years ago. So, what is the real story here? Could Megalodon have survived much longer than initially thought? The findings opened up new avenues of research and speculation. Some scientists suggest that the Megalodon may have persisted in isolated regions, surviving well beyond its supposed extinction date. Others argue that the carbon dating results might be influenced by geological factors that can cause inaccuracies. Despite the intrigue surrounding these discoveries, most evidence still supports the notion that the Megalodon disappeared millions of years ago, likely due to changes in oceanic conditions, food scarcity, and competition with other predators. However, the mystery of its true extinction timeline continues to fuel interest and exploration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.